I think ऊपर ना recording का वो भी आएगा. Yeah. So let us start with some objective questions, and we'll do a recap of polynomials and do some questions based on linear equations in two variables also, so that we get to know at what position are we right now. Okay.
Okay.
So let's open some questions. All right. Now, if we talk about MCQs, right, there can be different approaches also to solve MCQ questions and arrive at the correct answer. So let us just try with this question. The first one: if the square of difference of the zeros of the quadratic polynomial x square plus px plus 45 is equals to 144, then the value of p is. Okay. Now in this case you also use your pen, we'll be writing together.
Okay.
So in this case what we'll do is, first let us just convert the statement. If the square of the difference of the zeros, so there are two zeros, so let the
Yeah.
zeros be alpha and beta. Okay. Now the difference, uska bhi square, the square of the difference. So this can be taken as the square of the difference of the zeros of the quadratic polynomial is equals to 144. This is given to me in the question. Then find the value of p. Now, what all can you tell me about alpha and beta from this polynomial itself?
That alpha plus beta will be minus p upon 1.
1, because it is minus b by a, so it will be minus p only upon 1, right? And what
Yeah.
else can you say?
That alpha beta will be 45.
It will be 45, correct, absolutely. Now this we have recapped also, that the sum of the zeros and the product of the zeros is given by minus b by a and c by a respectively, right?
Yeah.
Now given these two conditions, this is given to you and this is also given to you, what do you suggest, what should I do with this condition given to me where a value 144 is also known? What is coming to your mind with this equation?
That we might maybe apply the identity of a square minus b square, or
Okay,
like a minus b whole square.
so it will be alpha square minus 2 alpha beta, right,
Yeah.
plus
Beta square.
beta square, right? This is equals to 144. Now what
Yeah, and
value
now
can
we
you,
have alpha beta.
okay, now you tell me then how can you substitute these values which are given to you?
Like we can put 45 instead of alpha beta, that will make it minus 90.
Correct, correct,
And
this is
then
absolutely,
we can transpose 90 to the right hand side.
absolutely. So I'll do it in a quick step. Alpha square plus beta square is 144 plus 90, right? I think it should be plus 90.
Yeah, yeah.
Is this correct? Okay, so what is this value?
144 plus 90.
Hmm.
That will be 234.
Correct, 234. Now you have alpha square plus beta square is 234, and you have no clue about p right now. There is no thing about p, and our question is revolving around p. Now, what do you suggest? I have used this somewhat, I've used this somewhat. Now, what do you suggest?
We basically need to find what alpha plus beta is, and then we
Correct.
can replace that value to p.
Okay, all right. So now this is given to you. What do you suggest? Alpha plus beta is minus p, and alpha square plus beta square is given to you as 234. So,
Yeah.
what shall we do here to come in
Uh,
this form?
we apply the identity
Which identity?
that we take the square common.
How can you take square
Like,
common?
no, what I mean is like that alpha square plus beta square is equals to 234,
100.
and alpha plus beta is equals to minus p.
Huh? So, how do you relate both of them? This is a linear polynomial and this is a quadratic polynomial, alpha square plus beta square. So, how do you combine both of them together?
Uh,
Is 234 simply equals to p square? Is alpha square plus beta square is just the square of alpha plus beta? How do you think? I think there's something called square that we should bring into picture. What is that?
I have no idea.
Okay, never mind. Now, this much what we have done, is this clear to you so far? What we
Yeah,
have done? We have done just we have simply substituted some values which we already knew. Now,
yeah,
we have arrived at alpha square plus beta square like this. And I have something alpha plus beta. What I'll do with this is, in this equation, I will square both the sides. Can I do that?
yeah.
Now, if I square both the sides, the equation still remains. Now, tell me, when you square both the sides, what will happen? Open up with an identity.
We'll again get alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta.
Correct.
And then
Plus
we
2
can
alpha.
again replace the value of alpha beta and like we'll
And
get
what is
minus
minus p ka whole square?
minus p square.
P square. Now, these values on the LHS, are you aware of all of these values?
Yeah, not all, but I'm aware of alpha beta.
Now, what about this?
Yeah, this is 234.
So, you're actually aware of all of them, isn't it?
Yeah,
So, 234 then plus
90.
90 again is p square. Now, tell me what is the value of p, and you quickly tick on the correct answer in the MCQ. 234 plus 90 is 324. That is p square. So p is actually plus minus 18, because we'll take the square root of 324.